Welcome to an overview of the Query Wizard from Nextcode Health. The Query Wizard is a feature of the Sequence Miner, wherein it is very easy to insert your subjects into predefined GORE queries that cover a broad spectrum of analyses in the context of next-generation sequencing. By design, the Query Wizard is very dynamic, and our goal is that it will be populated by queries that represent our customers' needs at any given time. We expect the regular changes to the query dialogues to be mostly user-driven, and that advanced users will be able to customize their own query dialogues in a matter of tens of minutes rather than hours. There are currently 24 distinct queries available in the Query Wizard, though that number will fluctuate based on demand. The 24 queries are distributed across 5 loosely defined categories. This video will cover the categories of queries offered in the Query Wizard at this time. All dialogues with the prefix case represent variation analyses based on Mendelian inheritance, including recessive, dominant, X-linked, and de novo. When working on trio or nuclear family analyses, the most natural entry point into the Nextcode Health suite of analysis tools is arguably the Clinical Sequence Analyzer. And once you require the advanced analysis capabilities of the Sequence Miner, you click on the Open Query in Sequence Miner button, and the corresponding report will open in the Sequence Miner, ready for your advanced analysis. But if you are already working in the Sequence Miner, you can perform the analysis in the Query Wizard just as easily. In the case prefixed queries, as well as when creating a study in the Clinical Sequence Analyzer, you will be required to choose an index case, which the analysis will be centered around. Subjects are chosen by clicking in the entry field or on the icons in the entry field that will prompt you to choose from your list of available subjects or choose case and control lists from the grid. Links to videos detailing input parameters and output columns are located just to the right of entry fields in the relevant query dialogues. Queries with the CC prefix are geared towards case control studies. The CC-GWAS query will allow you to perform a genome-wide association study on your cohort. The output is variant-specific and is reported in odds ratios and p-values. If you intend to use the case control modules regularly, the following way to create case and control lists is quite useful. In the File Explorer, open the Subject Reports folder and the PNs list. The PNs list is a list of all subjects you have access to. Highlight those individuals you designate as cases, right-click and choose Open in a new grid as cases. Then you choose your controls, right-click and select Open a new grid as controls. If you are interested in limiting the analysis to your region of interest, open a genome browser window to your region of interest and click on the POS button in the Query Wizard. And you can select a range from several genome browser windows or choose to include the entire genome. The GAVA module stands for Gene Aggregate Variant Analysis and allows you to do case control analysis focusing on whole genes rather than individual variants. Queries with the prefix gene or gene report will annotate and generate statistics on reports containing genes depicted with a gene symbol column. Queries with the prefix PNs denote that the queries annotate subject lists or generate subject-specific statistics. For example, if you would like to create an allele frequency file for your cohort, open PNs var-frec and select your subjects and whether you would like allele frequencies for exonic variants only or across the whole genome. Click Run, and in a few seconds you have a report with allele frequencies for 268,229 variants for all subjects selected. Queries with the prefix var report allow you to annotate and compare variation reports. And Venn reports allow you to do Venn analysis on 4 reports at a time. So in summation, the Query Wizard is populated by queries that will help you solve your Mendelian, recessive, dominant, X-linked, and de novo cases. They will do your GWAS analyses. They will annotate and generate statistics for candidate gene lists. They will annotate and generate statistics for subjects and subject lists. And lastly, you can compare reports that you have generated. Let us know what types of analyses you want to see in the Query Wizard. Email us at support@nextcode.com with your requests. Also, look for further training videos at nextcode.com.